Alright guys, it's Big C, the last break of the night. I listed some auctions, went ahead and did the sheets. I'm going to go ahead and record these. My phone is dead. But over here to the old computer, it's 12:40, December 6th, Eastern Time. And right there also, 12:40. Here is the box breaks, and it's, like I say, it's obviously after that time because I couldn't put all the names on the sheet if the auction wasn't over, so... Anyway, here we go.
What if I told you could do anything and did? ESPN Films presents a 30 for 30 film brought to you by Buick Verano. You don't know both. Saturday at 9 on ESPN.
That's so big.
Seriously?
Dr. Phil? Get in. Look, what are you compensating for?
My cord, I can't get any closer there. So there is the sign-up sheet, and here is the box. So we'll go ahead and go in here. One autograph. Now I don't know. I know the Bowman Chrome had two, and every so often in their boxes. I don't know if this product is the same way or not. So I've only opened the boxes on the break, so I haven't opened. I opened one pack on my own. I bought a jumbo pack at my local shop, but I don't know if these come every 4 boxes has 2 autographs, but we shall see. Alright, Devin Mesoraca. We'll just go through Austin Chubb, Chrome, Tanner Shepers, Chrome, and base. Actually, I think we did get a or Adrian Marin refractor, not numbered. We did get actually a material card out of the last pack. Last break, I should say. Refractor Jorge Fernandez for the Twins, not numbered. Scott Oberg. Base, Anthony Gibbs, Drew Smiley rookie, Nick Travieso for the Reds of the Chrome. I think there is actually, I don't know how rare they are, I just seen them on eBay, that some of the Bryce Harpers and Yu Darvishes, I don't know if it's other players, but speaking of Yu Darvish, they don't have their names on the bottom, so I don't know how, you know, what product they're pulling those out of or anything like that, if it's jumbo, retail. I mean, these are all hobby packs, but I'm not for sure where they're getting them at. Got some color on this one. It's got something. Gold. Why is there a chrome there? Is this chrome? I guess it's... No, it's not gold. It's $250. Alfredo Rodriguez, but I don't know why they had that in between the chrome cards. Base, Joe Kelly, chrome, just base cards. Dylan Bundy and Kevin Gooseman, top picks for the Orioles. Lex Rutledge, refractor. Jamie Jarman for the Rangers, chrome. Base, Jason Wilson. Base. Going ice cards of Peter O'Brien for the Yankees. Soldier Medic gets that one. Bruce Maxwell, chrome. Base. Here's some color chrome usually. And we got some refractors, but Christopher Beck refractor, but usually we got a little bit of color. Yanis Pettis. Bangs. Brian Dozier, Zach Eisler, Bangs. Jeremy, look up. There we go. Mitch Nay is the autograph for the Toronto Blue Jays. Number one, born in '93. Blue Jays #1 pick. Yankee fan ball 20 gets that. So he was a first rounder. Names. The color, Tom Malone on a 500. Jared Parker, Max Foodie. I can't believe we haven't got no chrome color yet. There's usually oh here we go. Speaking of it, Caleb Frey out of 250 for the Yankees. Soldier Matting. Bays. Refractor Taylor Hawkins. Who's this guy? Jeffrey Weldkin, 500. Jesus Montera, Austin Shots. Brian Johnson, Red Sox refractor. Alright, 4 more packs. One of those things. I'm not sure what those are again. Usually 2 for Wilson Rosario, Brian De La Rosa, one of those, base, last 2. Let's see if we can get one more color refractor. Here's a gold. Here is a gold. Brian Johnson, gold. That should be 50. Oh no, that's 25. 2012, 31st overall. Red Sox. So 4 out of 25, and that's you know what? I'm just going to say Philip, because I'm sure I mess up his name all the time. So Brian Johnson, gold refractor for the Red Sox. TJ Davis, chrome, and base. Alright guys, I appreciate it. Again, keep checking out the auctions. Big C 202014. Listed a bunch of stuff tonight. Got a bunch more to list in the future. I know I think the next baseball product comes out is Bowman Sterling. So that will be out, I believe, in 2 weeks. I believe it's the 19th. So what is today's date? The 6th? So it's either the 19th or 20th. I can't remember, but that comes out next. So again, guys, appreciate it. Keep checking them out. Big C 202014. Thanks.